Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lola from Farmhouse 548. So I'm doing right now, this is actually my second video. We're doing again a furniture flipping makeover. I got it from the thrift store. But next time I will do not only a big stuff but also small stuff to put as your decorations and farmhouse theme. So I got this end table from thrift store for $3. It's actually good, but this is not drawer. This is only like just to lift and ornament. And this is pretty beat up. You can see like the legs are wobbly. We'll fix that. What I mean with we'll fix that, I mean my husband will help me with this. And there's a cracking in paint. I will try to strip it or just sand it. And what's interesting is, get this, I think this is too right. This is nice surface, so I'm hoping that I can get the top same color with this. And for the bottom part, from these two legs, I want to paint it white distress with black undertone, just like Ginger Chick Rehab. You should check on her channel. She's inspired me a lot. She's very good. So let's do something today, guys. So one thing to remember is, before you start anything with anything, well, painting basically, you have to clean it first, because you don't want to paint on top of dust or something that will affect your paint job. So I'm just using an ordinary all-purpose disinfectant cleaner, so let's do it. Voila! Now we are ready to start the sanding, and let's see what we have. Guys, so I think I know why the top is painted white, because we can see maybe there's a water damage or something. There's a speckle here and there, so I will try to sand it again and keep it smooth, and let's see if we can make the top looks like new again, back to the original color, or stain it. Okay guys, oh, I forgot. Sorry. Hi guys, so after sanding for quite a while, look at this beautiful gorgeous wood under it. All the scratch marks, all the speckle marks are gone. It's beautiful, but you need an elbow grease to achieve this. So I need to change my battery, and I will continue for the rest of the piece, and I'll be right back. Voila, it's done for this part. We just need to sand again this part, and then we'll start the work from there. sanding by hand all the legs and all the body parts and this edge. Lots of elbow grease and choo 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 choo. And for the next step, we're gonna remove all the hardware, 3 of them, and yeah, we start painting. I changed my mind about the black undercoat because I love what I've seen under the paint, so I will just paint it white and then distress it. It's gonna be gorgeous. We flipped the table to make it easier for me to take out the hardware. This hardware aside, we're gonna use the same one. We're just gonna clean it and we'll start painting. Look at this, right? That's why you always need to clean before you paint or stain. So if you see this part, all the legs and this part, I don't mean to sand it this far, even though I'm only using my hand to sand it, but because there's a lot of cracking on the paint before, so I need to do it. I think we're good. So I'm gonna flip the table and start painting from the legs, from the bottom up. So I'm only using a leftover paint here. It's basically paint and primer in white. I don't really remember the brand. As you see, it's already covered by paint. And this is made in Canada. Ta-da! Oh, Canada. So let's make this Canadian beauty shine brighter again. First cut is the deepest. So first coat is done, so I'm just waiting until it's dry and come back for a second coat. But I think that's all we need. stain in dark walnut. My husband will help me to stain it. So this is the next day. It's all dry, the top, after the stain. So I'm just gonna sand this whole part, the body, the legs, and I will distress it. This is after 2 coats of paint. I just finished distressing the piece, the leg, the body. I don't want to over distress it. It's enough for me. And right now I'm gonna clean the piece because, you know, all the dust. And after that I'm gonna put on the top coat, the wipe on poly, and then we're done. We just need to put back the hardware. we're back. So I give the 2 coats for the top, the weapon poly, and 1 only for the body. It's enough. And let's put back the hardware. Last thing, so we're gonna put min wax space finishing wax on the slide here, because this is wood and wood. It will be good to put this because, you know, it's sliding, it makes it slide better. So let's just do it. It's really good. Hi guys, so you see the before and after. What do you think? Leave your comment, okay? And I really love it. For me, it's perfect. It's white, it's farmhouse, it's really my thing. So if you like this kind of content and you know someone that will love this content, kindly share it with them. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave your comment. It will help my channel to grow. So don't forget to do something today, and see you next time on my next project. Ta-da!